In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your help desk tools with Zapier and Make, and automate processes that will save you tons of time. If you've ever wondered how to streamline your customer support workflow and integrate your tools with other apps, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial for the software we're using to make this happen, so you can follow along and get started today. First things first, let's make sure you have the right software in place. Zapier and Make are incredibly powerful tools that allow you to integrate different apps, including help desk platforms, without needing to code. We'll be connecting your help desk software with these platforms. So every time a new ticket comes in or a customer interacts with your support system, other actions can be triggered automatically. This means less manual work and fewer chances for errors. Now let's dive in. To get started, you'll need to log into the software we'll be using, which connects your help desk tool to Zapier or Make. Once you're in, you'll be prompted to choose your help desk tool from a list of popular options like Zendesk, Freshdesk, or even custom solutions. In Zapier, you'll click on Make a Zap, and in Make, you'll create a new scenario. These are the building blocks of the automation you're about to set up. The first step is to choose your trigger app, your help desk tool in this case. If you're using Zendesk, for example, you'll select Zendesk and pick an event like a new ticket or ticket update. This event will be the trigger that kicks off your automation. Next, you'll decide what you want to happen once that trigger is activated. This could be creating a task in your project management software, sending an email notification, or adding the customer information to a CRM. You can choose from hundreds of other apps and actions available on Zapier or Make, which makes it super flexible. For instance, once a new ticket is created in Zendesk, you can automatically create a Google Sheet entry with customer info, or you could create a new task in Trello to follow up on the ticket. You can even use conditional logic to make sure certain actions happen only under specific circumstances. The process in Make is a bit more visual, and you get to build your automation by dragging and dropping various actions and connecting them together. With Make, you can fine-tune each step of the workflow so it works exactly how you need it to. Once you've set up your automation, test it out to make sure everything is working correctly. This is where Zapier and Make really shine. They let you troubleshoot and make sure that the trigger and actions are linked up seamlessly before you go live with your automations. Before we wrap up, remember that the software we used in this video can help you automate all of this with zero coding required. If you want to try it out for yourself, I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it while you can. So, what's the key takeaway here? Connecting help desk tools with Zapier and Make can completely streamline your workflow, saving you hours of manual work each week. We covered how to set up a trigger, connect it to other tools, and automate processes like creating tasks or sending notifications. By using these tools, you can create powerful, no-code integrations that will supercharge your customer support efforts. And don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial of the software we used in the description below. Be sure to follow along and start automating your help desk workflow today.